Good morning from Maldives, day number
12.
Surprisingly, it's actually 6 o'clock in the morning right now, and this is how light it is. We'll give you a little scan of what we got going on.
You think they do daylight savings here?
I'm not quite sure. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and it's pretty bright. I've got a little time lapse set up right here. I got this new guy and we're ready for day number 2 in Maldives, folks. We got a packed schedule for you today. The camera's a little weird right now. It's kind of like the mist, but it's kind of weird. We're gonna do some photos today for Kelsey. We're gonna try an Instagram trick shot right now that I'm gonna be posting. It's so steamy out. Wow, you're like super misty. Where the flip is your ring?
I didn't put it on.
Wow! Okay guys, we are going to get the day started. Hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, a little BTS to the trick shot that we're gonna be performing here. Kelsey's gonna bottle flip. Oh boy. Once it lands, I'll whip up to the sky. Then Kelsey's gonna take the camera. She'll whip down. I'll be standing right there. I'll throw the frisbee, knock the bottle. Boom. Just a kiss? Wait for it. Give me the frisbee. Throw it. Oh, you can't hit me again.
Brodie!
Alright, that was a bit of a workout there. The wind was a bit crazy. I'm gonna get my little morning spritz on. Oh, it's nice and chilly. This is like, these pools are pretty much brand new. They just put these into these bungalows over the water. You can see that's literally our room. The bed is right there and you can open these doors, come out right in here. And I'm just gonna cool off a little bit. Oh, I don't know how to turn the lights on. This is what we're looking at. It's not too bad, guys, not too bad.
We are on our way to breakfast. It's a buffet, so you know I'm happy about it. We are taking a buggy to breakfast. Let's eat.
We just got to breakfast.
My mind is blown. Okay,
This breakfast
you know
is
how much
insane.
I love juices? They're literally juicing right in front of me.
You know what they say, babe? Juice it up. You don't have to eat less, you just have to eat right. All right, I went ham, so Kelsey's already kind of halfway done with her breakfast. And this is our view while we eat our breakfast. Not too shabby, folks.
I just want everyone to, actually I just want to document this so everyone knows. Brodie, he is doing his sunscreen so he doesn't get an epic farmer's tan. Get it, Brodie?
So, fun fact we just learned, the resort is actually an hour ahead of everything else. And thus, that's why we've been pretty much late to everything. We completely missed the paddleboard yoga, which is good for you guys because I would have been falling the entire time. We are moving over to what they call the X-Bob. It seems like it's like an underwater situation, so lots of GoPro footage coming soon. All right, this we're really excited about.
So have you done this before?
No, we've seen it and it's something I've wanted to do for so long.
Alright, so you see this red and green button here?
Yeah.
That's to control your speed. So you don't need to use these white and blue buttons.
Okay.
See, I press the green button, you increase the speed.
go fast?
Yeah, to go fast, you can increase it up to 100, but it'll just
Not 100 miles per hour.
Yeah, no, not 100.
Kilometer.
Yeah. And then you see the trigger here?
Uh-huh.
You press it to go
Oh, okay. So you set it what you want and then press the trigger.
And then you lie down, your arms straight, and then you press the trigger.
No way!
When you want to turn, you just lean to the side you want to turn.
No way!
It's very simple. It's not that hard.
And this can go underwater as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna check. We're gonna see what Kelsey goes here.
Arms straight at 15.
Oh! Turn, turn!
You see? The turns are much easier.
Oh, nice, babe! Do not run into me!
That's so fun!
Is it sick?
Yes!
Alright, let me pop on this bad boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It kind of like pushes your bottoms down.
It does. It does, yeah.
Good job, Brodie! Woo!
This is awesome! Oh! Here I go! You gotta go under!
That was so sick!
You gotta go under!
That was so awesome!
You gotta go under!
Okay.
That was phenomenal experience! Yeah! How sick is that? Alright, so we just got done sea blading.
Sea bobbing.
Sea bobbing. Now, sorry, I was combining sea bob and X blade. Now I'm doing the X blade, which you're basically on like, I don't even know. You're on a jet. It's like a jetpack with your feet. Could be really bad.
I think
Could have some pretty bad fails.
We'll catch him on camera.
I'm gonna try to throw a frisbee to Kelsey.
What? What?
Camera update, ladies and gentlemen. The other camera, our camera that we use to vlog on right now, is not working for some reason. No idea actually what is going on with that. But for right now, we're just gonna use the GoPro camera. We have a cooking class coming up where we're actually gonna be eating what we cook. So we're gonna head there right now, show you guys some of that, and continue on. So we just got done cooking like 6 different Indian dishes, and now we are walking out to the gazebo to indulge on the food that we've created.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so that was probably the most food I've ever eaten in my entire life.
We try to do the best
Not really.
we try to do the best we could,
We tried,
but
yeah.
there was a lot of food. You
Thank
made
you
made
again.
too much. Too much food.
Thank you.
And y'all offer cooking classes here, right?
Yes.
So,
Except Sunday and Tuesday.
No Sunday or Tuesday, every other day cooking class if you want to learn how to make this fine cuisine.
highly suggest it.
Alright, we are off to a massage. This is the room that we got the massages in, guys. And let me just show you how sick this is. You stick your head through here. You see the ocean. And then literally you're just on top of the ocean right here. Look at that. I have no idea what is about to happen.
Well, we're just fishing with lines, so
Nice toss. Now you just let it go.
Oh, dang,
Okay, let me know if you catch anything. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. And you just let it go until it hits the bottom, and then you just slowly pull it up. And hopefully something eats it.
No way. Oh my gosh. A shark did that?
Yeah! 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 What up, little dude? Yeah!
Oh, will you put it back in the ocean?
What happened? Oh! You hooked one on the belly. Oh, you got a weird hooker.
Is it gonna die? Is it gonna die anyway? It's gonna die, right?
It is good to be back, vlog camera. We thought you were dead. The GoPro SD card filled up. Batteries were dead. So pretty much the last thing I think you guys saw was Kelsey catching a fish. Her little bait was like right here, okay? And this fish was just like minding its own business, going over it. And then she just goes, yak 'em! And she just hooked
I caught it on its belly.
Hooked it right on its belly. So this is the end of day number 2. Day number 3 is coming soon. And yeah, hopefully you guys like that. And more drone footage and karma footage and potentially frisbee stuff coming soon.
Second location, here we go.
Oh yeah, we're leaving this spot. We're going somewhere else.
Yep.
So stay tuned. Alrighty then, that was a phenomenal video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is it from 4 Seasons Kuda Hura. We're moving on to our next location. Hopefully you come join us, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment down below.
And like this video.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.